Ladies and gentlemen, dames and heren, today I'm showing you the first ever house that I bought in my life. This is where I lived in my own property. The first time I got into the property market. This is the street that the property is situated in. It's under the mountain. That is Lower Main Road Observatory over there. It's got a bit of a jungle of a garden in front right now. Let's go and see what it looks like. There's Christmas roses that's been standing here for many years. They are still growing. The windows in front, they are all sash windows. You will notice also there's an beam on the stoop here for added security. This is your front stoop and garden. There are shutters on the inside of many of the rooms over here. Both these front rooms have it. We're going to see it when we go inside. And the house has beautiful wood floors. The lounge is at the end, and we're going to look at one of the bedrooms first. Here you get a sense of this shutters that can open and close like this. This first room, like the other one in front, has loads of built-in cupboards. The electricity distribution board is here behind the front door, and it has a prepaid meter. There is, between these two front rooms and the living area, there's this, they call it a happy door. Otherwise you have other doors like you can see over here. This is the second room. They are both comfortable size. You can put a double bed in here. There you can see the shutters and lots of packing space. Enter into your lounge area. The house extends to the back. There is a bathroom down there and another bedroom and a bedroom ensuite. It has a working fireplace, and this living area is north facing, an open plan with your kitchen. We can have a look down this passage here first. You have a big bathroom, also with these shutters in front of the windows. I can close like that. There is this quality sanitary ware. Seems to be a bit of damp there, but nothing serious. And this is your hand basin on cemented floors. Werner, I'm your estate agent. If you want to know more, you can visit my website or give me a call, and then I would love to show you around the property. The last room on this side here has laminated floors, also aluminium windows with those shutters. There's a loose cupboard here, but it will most likely be included in the purchase. And there is an ensuite bathroom here. With an extractor. Okay, so now we're going to walk around to the kitchen. Open plan, eat-in kitchen. Loads of built-in cupboards here. They're all in a reasonably good condition. There's a dishwashing machine facility. It's a built-in stove with an extractor, and then it opens up to, this could be your office in the back here. It looks a bit like an office. It's ensuite. got a fancy bathroom. With a shower. It's all peaceful and quiet here in the back of the house. This is your back courtyard. And then at the very back here, at the end, is a laundry. I don't have the key for the laundry. You can get some sense. There's a place for a washing machine and a tumble dryer and shelving. That is it. Visit my website, hotpropertyinCapetown.com. I'm your man, Werner. I would love to show you around. It's an ideal home for a bigger family or people that work from home. This is it. Central Observatory. Thank you for watching.